the train station.
Hi,
Hi, how can I help?
I want to go to New York City
When do you want to leave?
as soon as possible.
Let me check. The next train leaves at 10 a.m.
How long is the trip?
About 3 hours and 15 minutes.
Is it direct?
Yes, no transfers.
Great. How much is a ticket?
Coach or business class?
Coach, please.
$35.
Any discount fares?
Discount tickets are usually available if you book ahead.
Okay, I'll take the regular ticket.
One way or round trip?
Round trip.
When are you coming back?
The day after tomorrow in the afternoon.
Total is $80.
Can I pay by card?
Yes.
Which platform does it leave from?
Track 7.
Where's track 7?
Up the stairs and to the right. There's an elevator at the end, too.
Thanks. I have a heavy suitcase.
No problem.
Is there Wi-Fi on the train?
Yes, Wi-Fi is available.
Great. I need to work.
There are also power outlets at the seats.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good trip.
At the hair salon.
Hi.
Hi, do you have an appointment?
No, can you take walk-ins?
Yes, we can. One moment.
No problem.
Please have a seat.
Thanks. What's your name?
I'm Julia.
Nice to meet you, Julia.
What can we do for you today?
I'd like a haircut.
How much would you like off?
About 2 inches.
Great. Just a cut. No color?
Just a cut.
Would you like a wash?
Yes, please.
Perfect. Right over to the sink.
The water feels nice.
Is the temperature okay?
Yes, perfect.
What kind of shampoo do you want?
What do you have?
Regular, dry hair and oily hair shampoo.
I have dry hair.
Got it.
That smells good.
It's argan oil.
Nice.
All done. Back to the chair.
Okay.
Do you want it blunt or layered?
Blunt, please.
Bangs or no bangs?
No bangs.
And I'll trim the split ends too.
Yes, please.
About shoulder length.
Yes.
Great. All done. How does that look?
It looks really good.
Want a blow dry?
Yes, please. Straight.
You got it.
How often do you come in for haircuts?
Every 2 months is perfect.
Great. How much do I owe you?
$40.
Here's $50.
Thanks. Here's $10 back.
Keep it. That's a tip.
Thank you.
When should I come back?
In 2 months.
Can I book an appointment now?
Sure. What day works?
A Saturday in June.
Saturday, June 25th at 8 a.m.
Perfect.
See you then.
Bye. At the gym.
Hi.
Hi. Welcome to Signature Fitness.
Thanks. I'd like to sign up.
Great. Do you already have a membership?
No, I'm new here.
No problem. What kind of program are you interested in?
What do you offer?
We have different options: yoga, swimming, and strength training.
I like yoga and maybe swimming too.
Awesome! We have yoga every Monday and Wednesday
What time?
at 6 p.m.
That works. How much is the membership?
It's $30 a month.
Okay, that's not too expensive. Do you have a free trial class?
Yes, your first class is free.
Perfect. When can I come?
Tomorrow at 5:30 p.m.
Great. I'll come tomorrow. What's your name?
I'm Steven. I'm one of the trainers. And you?
I'm Donna.
Nice to meet you, Donna.
Nice to meet you too, Stephen. Do I need workout clothes?
Yes, comfortable clothes and sneakers are best.
Where can I buy them?
We have a small shop here, and there's also a sporting goods store nearby.
Oh, convenient. Thanks. Do you have lockers?
Yes, in the locker room.
Do I need to bring a lock?
No, we have digital lockers.
Nice. Do you have showers?
Yes, showers are available and towels are included.
Great. What hours are you open?
From 5 to 10 p.m.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah, we're open on weekends too.
Perfect. I work a lot.
Then evenings might be best for you.
Definitely. Do you sell drinks?
Yes, we have water and sports drinks.
How much is a bottle of water?
50 cents.
Okay, can I bring my own bottle?
Of course.
Great. Can you help me with a workout plan?
Sure, I'll help you tomorrow.
Thanks. That's really nice.
No problem.
Do you have parking?
Yes, behind the building.
Great. I'm driving.
Sounds good. See you tomorrow, Donna.
See you tomorrow, Stephen. Thanks.
Bye.
At the travel agency.
Hi. Welcome to Global Business Travel.
Hi, I'd like to book a trip.
Great. Where do you want to go?
Spain, on the coast.
When do you want to travel?
In July, for 3 weeks.
Are you traveling alone or with family?
With my wife and 2 kids.
How old are they?
10 and 15.
Perfect. I have great family deals. Hotels with kids' activities and pools.
Sounds good. How close to the beach?
About a 5-night walk.
Great. Is it all inclusive?
Yes, meals and drinks are included.
That's helpful with kids.
For 3 weeks, it's about $4,500 for 4 people.
Does that include flights?
Yes, flights, hotel, and airport transfers.
What's a transfer?
Transportation from the airport to the hotel.
Got it.
Which airport would you like to fly from?
JFK in New York.
Perfect. There are direct flights to Mallorca.
How long is the flight?
About 2.5 hours.
Nice. Any excursions?
Yes, boat tours and city trips. There's also a water park nearby.
Great. Do we need visas?
Not for short tourist trips if you have a U.S. passport.
Good. What should we bring?
Passports, and we recommend travel insurance.
What does it cover?
Trip cancellation, illness, and lost luggage.
Okay, I'll take it.
Deposit is 35% today, and the rest is due 4 weeks before departure.
Can I pay by card?
Yes,
Great. Thank you.
you're welcome. Have a wonderful trip.
At the grocery store.
Excuse me, where can I find flour?
Flour is in aisle 3 with the baking items.
Thanks. And sugar?
Same aisle right next to the flour.
Great. Thanks.
Anything else?
Yes. Where's the milk?
In the refrigerated section, aisle 5.
Thanks.
No problem.
Do you have lactose-free milk?
Yes, the same shelf, top left.
Perfect. I'm lactose intolerant.
Then you'll find lots of options there.
Good to know.
Do you have our loyalty card?
No. What is it?
You get discounts.
How much?
Around 10 to 12% on many items.
How do I get one?
At checkout. It's free.
Great.
What else can I help you with?
Where's the fresh produce?
Right by the entrance on the right.
Do you have organic vegetables?
Yes. Look for the green signs.
Nice. Do you have gluten-free bread?
Yes. In aisle 4 with specialty foods.
Thanks. You're very helpful.
Anytime.
At an apartment viewing. Hi.
Hi, are you Ms. Olivia?
Yes? And you're Mr. Henry?
That's right. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is this the apartment?
Yes. Come on in.
Thanks. Oh, it's really bright.
Yes, it has large windows.
I like that. How many rooms does it have?
2 bedrooms and a living room, plus a small office space.
Perfect. I work from home sometimes.
Then it's a good fit.
Where's the kitchen?
Right here. The kitchen is brand new.
Nice. Very modern.
Yes, with new appliances.
Is there a stove?
Yes, and a refrigerator and dishwasher.
Great. Is the washer included?
Yes, it's in the laundry closet.
Can I see the bathroom?
Sure. This way.
The bathroom is spacious.
Yes, there's a bathtub and a shower.
Perfect. How much is the rent?
It's $1,500 per month, not including utilities.
What does that include?
Rent only. Utilities usually run about $190, depending on usage.
So around $16.90 total?
Approximately.
Is the internet included?
No, you'll set that up yourself.
Okay. Is there a balcony?
Yes, right here.
Wow, nice view.
You can see the park.
Is parking available?
Yes, there's a garage spot for $70 extra per month.
I'll need parking.
Great. There's also a storage unit in the basement.
Nice, for bikes and stuff.
Exactly.
Are pets allowed?
Small pets are allowed. Cats are fine.
Great, I have a cat.
Then no problem.
When could I move in?
Starting on the 1st of next month.
Perfect. What do you need from me?
Proof of income and a credit check authorization.
Okay, I'll email everything.
Great. My email is on my card.
Thanks.
I'll get back to you soon.
When will I hear back?
In 5 to 7 business days.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.